Hey, we're in Gwangju again. We're going to take a city walk. We're starting off here at the clock tower. And I have never walked down this street before, but we're going to find out what's here. Don't even know the name of it, but we'll find that out too. Looks like a popular, busy area. So there's the name of the street. Sia, I don't know. I believe that's the name of the street. I said in the previous video, Gwangju is a nice little city. I'm here at kind of the hot time of the year, but not disappointed. Visiting some good friends. They took me some really amazing places. And I'm having a better time than I would have if I would come alone, and that's for sure. So, and I've seen a lot more than I would have if I would have come alone. Unfortunately, I didn't take video of much of it. So Gwangju has a good bus system, has a subway system. I think right now they have one line, but they are adding another. Down through there is the shopping area that you've seen in hopefully y'all saw it in another video. So I leave here tomorrow for Busan. Spend a week there, come back here for a couple days, then head to Seoul for a few weeks. So far I'm liking Korea. I'd been here once before, many years ago. I really enjoyed my time here then. So also back there at the clock tower where we started, that's where the Asian Cultural Center is. So it's worth checking out. Lots of little shops, restaurants down through here. Like I said, it's my first time walking down here. So we'll just enjoy. Not a lot of people right now. Time of day, the day of the week, it's Wednesday. People come in from work, they're tired. The buses here are very aggressive. Like, don't get in their way. And if you do, they will show you real quick that they are not happy. So unfortunately, I can't read a lot of this stuff. Well, I can't read hardly any of it. Some things are in both Korean and English. There's some more of that shopping street. But most things or in Korean. Thought that was gonna be nice, let me out, but I was wrong. There's a lot of nice art pieces around the city. A lot of older people you'll see out exercising. Got to be careful with some of the art. Some of them on the street are nudes, and YouTube will block it. But I've went to, well, last week I went to a lot of coffee shops with my friends. I got some really good ones here. So to cross the streets here in this busy area, you got to go under, down the steps and under. It brings you into this little shopping area. And then you can go right back up on the other side. A lot of steps. Well, that was fun. So we'll continue on down and see what we can find. I do not know what that is. And sometimes it's too big of a hassle to cross to just go over and find out. And it's a nice city. Gwangju is the 6th largest city in Korea. I know the first, Seoul, second, Busan. I do not know what the 3rd, 4th, and 5th is. Somebody would let me know, I'd appreciate it. Getting a nice little breeze. The Korean flag's flying. Oh, taco. So I need to find an ATM. I went to 2 already. I'm not sure what's down that street. I think it's like a bar area. Again, I'm not sure. People give me directions. They give me directions in English. Oh, you go down to this building and make a right, and you go down to that building. And when I get down there, and the building names are in Korean, and I don't know which one's which. Google Translate. I mean, you can use your camera. You can't be a lifesaver if you don't know the language. There's lots of interesting stuff. It's funny, there'll be people that, one of my friends is American, the other one is Korean, but we'll walk through and people will signal me and him out, leave the Korean alone. Well, sorry, nothing, super exciting going on, but this gives you a little taste of Gwangju, kind of see what it's about. And it's a huge city. And I'm sure that I haven't even scratched the surface on what's here yet. So I'm hoping this video isn't getting too long. There's a lot to see down, we're still on the same street. There's a lot to see here. Oh, ATMs maybe. And, oh, it's open. Yes, that's the kind right there I need. See, they're a little different than the ones in America. So it worked. I tried 2 other ones today and they didn't work, but that one actually said, Visa, MasterCard, all that stuff. The others didn't. Almost everything was in Korean. Got one that said Global Services, and that was the only one that had English on it, so that's the one you take. And then it gives you the option for different languages, and from there on it's easy. It would give you up to 1,000,000 won. I'm not really sure how much that is. It's in the neighborhood of $1,000, I believe. Possibly a little less than 1,000. But I didn't need that much. Didn't take that much. So this is one of these little side streets. I thought I'd just bring you down so you can see what they're like. They're nice. A lot of little shops. Cars trying to run me over like always. Oh, that was a taxi. And he's in a hurry, then he just sits there because he's in everybody's way.
아하, 저때요 30.
A lot of little stores, shops. It's a little late. A lot of things are closed. Seems like in this city, like others, a good example was Osaka, a huge city. Through the week, not so busy in many places. This Saturday night, everybody comes out. From what I hear, it's like that here too. Come down through here and get your jewelry, traditional dresses. This whole area is really nice. So you can find about anything. Diamonds. Sadly, there's a lot of shops that have closed down. Kind of noticed that many places in the city. Don't know if the economy is not doing well or what. My friend told me that one of the issues is landlords just keep raising the rent prices to the point that people just can't pay them. And I can believe that. I've heard about it happening in quite a few other places. So, I'm going to end here. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Leave me a comment. If you didn't like the video, tell me how I can do better. And subscribe anyhow. I'm sure there's going to be videos that you do like. So, thank you, and I will see you at the next one, which will be the fish market.